2 nephews, and then, well, I guess 4 nephews all did. And they're into this. So, I got them these each. Oh no, I don't know where Cameron's thing is. I still have to put Zelda's bite together later. Hi, Crammy, how are you? They're known for lasagna, mac and cheese, stuff like that. Oh, maybe I should try one day. I'm missing one present, guys. And I got her one of these decal things because they're like Pokemon obsessed. And there's one thing that I'm missing that I actually don't know where it is. It might be in the car. Oh, why are you drinking it? Drink it. I'm missing something, Jeffrey.
Listen.
My little presents for Lulu.
What was it?
Do you love me?
Chat. Chaotic Squid 2 through 25 as us. Filed. You gonna eat the holographs or IMSDEYES.
Sorry, Jeffrey, I lost the present. Oh, it is. Squid, is that 25 months together? I went to go find my present, I can't find it. Also, I just realized I had these. Thank you for 25, Squid! Oh, these are gonna keep me nice and warm. I didn't change all of my stuff. Squid, how are you? Happy?
Is it cold out?
It's kind of cold. It's not as cold as Germany. You gonna eat the holographs or wow? You have these too? I got them. I don't know where I got them. I want to say I got them in Germany, but I did not. Stream no. Stream no. Squid! Merry happy Christmas New Year. Do you have any plans? Cram it, what up, dude? You know what I'd like to put together? I'll drink a bottle of wine for your efforts. Oh my god. I actually like putting things together. I really hope that it's still in here, the present I got. Otherwise, I'm gonna feel really bad. And really dumb because I bought a freaking present and now it's gone. 0. We only have 1 sub today. This is going to be a super quick stream, by the way. We're going to Jeffrey's cousin's house. I'm going to beat them all at the game. There we go. Thank you, Squid! Dude! It's really not here. You think I'll put it in the bag? It's like a little gamey thing. Like a little handheld game. Aw, Saj.
I remember you talking about it. I've never seen it.
What?
I remember you talking about it, but I've never seen it. So I don't know where you got it or where it went.
It was in the... I didn't take anything out of the trunk of the car. Unless it's still in there. Alright, these Reptar bars make your mouth green. It says tongue green. Turns your tongue green. Squid, answer me. What are you doing today? Very happy. Mary, happy, Mary. Alright. We just have little ones to wrap. And I have this whole side. Chad, don't judge my wrapping techniques. Hi, Collected! Merry Christmas Eve! Is it okay to go back to sleep? If you're tired, I'm just gonna wrap presents. I have the lasagna in the oven. I wanted it to be hot when we get there. So I'm gonna cook it all the way right now. And then when we get to their house, hopefully their oven is free so I can just like broil the top. Uni, but one of the presents I got is lost. I feel like I watched a cool way to wrap this the other day. Maybe I can think of something. Jeffrey, when you wake up, can you go look in the cart? It's too cold for me. My Los Angeles blood doesn't do this.
Yeah, you felt the wind chill, man.
Ew.
What, is he picking the Dodge or the Honda?
Well, no, the Dodge. Okay, I kind of want these sides to like stick together and like become like a little thing. So I'll take this out. How can I make this happen? Okay. Sunday. Lasagna. Tell me when you wrap mine so I don't look. I already sent yours. You didn't get it? It's awkward. Unicorn butt. I'm gonna open your... Uni sent me like 1,000 presents. Well, she sent Jeff 1,000 presents, but I'm considering Jeff's presents my presents. Let me know when you want me to open them. Okay. I feel like I should... Okay, my whole goal is to make this like crimple. Maybe if I cut like slits in it. A walk present.
Yes, Daddy.
West Coast Road protects 100. A Duchess Lol Nautica in the sky, comfortable 75 degrees and
Did
sunny.
you find it?
Tomorrow we will see a high of 80 perfect for a warm day outside with family playing with the toys Santa brought you. Back to you in the studio, Duchess.
Wait, what? Okay, what I saw is just not here anymore. Let's see if we can find it. Oh no, where's my phone? Ugh, nothing is anywhere that I need it to be right now. Thank you, Dro, for the 100 bits. Oh, you know, I hope you're doing well. The day's going okay for you. And is one MF my present? Wait, what? No, I lost one of the presents that I bought for one of the kids. And I don't know if I lost it or they just didn't put it in the bag. Small present wrapping. Creative? How to? How to? Just put a bunch of creative gift packaging. Ow! No, I don't want to buy anything. I want to learn how to do it myself. What the heck? Did I put a timer? Oh yeah, I did. Alright, dudes, let's see if I can take you with me. Chrome. No, not that one. This one. What should we search? How to wrap a small. How to wrap a deck of cards. Let's just say. Ooh. Bruh. No, I don't want a card trick. Dude, this is like freaking... That's kind of cool. Should we do this one? A holiday card series. Break into a deck of cards. How to wrap it? Oh, this is it. This is it.